How to get money for your small business. Are you ready to get money for that small business and take it to the next level? You can do it. There are banks and lenders that are approving new businesses, small businesses, minority businesses, you name it, your business can get money. I'm going to tell you exactly how to get that done. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, no, you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
It's been said that small business is the heartbeat of America, and I totally agree. Yes, we have big corporations, but really these mom and pop shops and small businesses all started small. So yeah, if we talk about Walmart and Tesla and General Electric and all of these big corporations, please know that they started off as a small business. Therefore, you could have a small business and actually over time, it could become a very big business, but it really all depends on what you want to do. But one of the easiest ways to turn your small business into a big business is with money. With money, you can then buy advertising, you can market your business, you can buy more inventory, you can buy more products, you can add more services. When you have money for your business, it actually strengthens your business, and it's one of the main reasons that businesses are able to succeed. And not having money is one of the reasons businesses fail. So let's talk about how to get that money. Number one, you need to know what you're going to use the money for. I've had so many people call me up and tell me, Noel, can I get $50,000 or can you loan me $50,000 to launch this makeup business or to start my clothing line? And my answer is almost always no. What are you talking about? Most of the time, they don't even know what they want to do with the money, and that is a big problem. So when you have a business idea or if you have a small business already, you've got to get really clear about what you need the money for. Are you going to use it for marketing? Do you have an exact marketing plan? Is it going to be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads? Is it going to be a commercial on television? Is it going to be a radio ad? Is it going to be a bus stop? What are you going to do? What type of ad are you going to run? If you need it for inventory, how much inventory? What does your inventory cost? Sometimes people tell me they want inventory and they don't even know how much each piece costs. You have to know these things. In order for someone to loan you money to grow your business, they want to know what you're going to do with the money. So before you ever apply or if you ever even start asking someone for money, get clear about what you're going to do with the money. Number two, know your personal credit score. Yes, you can actually get business funding and you can get funding without using your social security number. This is absolutely true. It happens every day. In fact, you could build business credit and get business funding in a matter of weeks, not years. However, if you want to do this process really quickly, it's always easier to do with good personal credit. So even if you have to be a personal guarantor, and again, it's not showing on your personal credit report, they still want to make sure that you pay people because again, you're the owner of the business. They want to make sure that you usually pay people because that's a good indicator as to whether you will pay back your business loans and make the payments on time. So this next step that you have to do is knowing your own personal credit score. Do you have good credit? What is your credit score? What's your debt to income ratio? What's going on with your credit? If you have bad credit and you need a little bit of help, there's a link below to creativecreditsolutions.net and my friends at Creative Credit Solutions. They can help you with your personal credit if you have very terrible credit. However, if you don't know what your credit score is at all, you can go to freeannualcreditreport.com. I'm going to give you a link to that as well. And you literally can check out your credit report. It won't give you a credit score unless you pay for it, but you can get your free credit report every single year and you can see what's on your personal credit report. This is going to strengthen your position when you go to apply for a loan because you'll go into the process knowing exactly where you stand. Even if your credit score fluctuates just a little bit before you get to them, you'll have a really good idea of where you are. Remember, if you have a credit score below 580, you have what's considered bad credit. If your credit score is between 580 and 640, it's considered fair. If you have 640 to 680, that's decent, good credit. And then if you have a credit score over 720, you have a good credit score. Obviously, having a good credit score or a great credit score over 720 is going to put you in the best financial position to get business funding really fast and for you to be able to get business credit built faster than if you have to go the traditional longer way of getting vendor credit cards and secured credit cards and things like that. I'm a small business owner with multiple businesses, and I want to help you. So I am here giving you this information every single day, absolutely free, and I am dedicated for you. So please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. I noticed that only 64% of the people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. Please don't be one of them. Subscribe to my channel, help me bring you the great content that you need, and don't be one of those people that just watches my video and doesn't subscribe. That's no bueno. Subscribe. Number 3, apply with a company that has multiple lenders. When you are looking for business funding for your small business, it is a priority that you go to a lender that specifically deals with small businesses. So many times I see people go to big banks like Bank of America or Wells Fargo, who also lend money to Microsoft and Google, and they're not going to be lending Joe Schmo very much money. In fact, that's not their core business. There are literally lenders designed to lend to small businesses, and they have access to multiple lenders. So let me give you an example. When you're applying for a mortgage, for example, you can go directly to Bank of America. Bank of America will pull your credit, and you can get approved with Bank of America, or you'll get declined with Bank of America. Or you can go to a mortgage brokerage, and they will have access to 100, 50, 200 lenders, and they will pull your credit, and then they will submit your loan to the lender that best suits you. This is probably a better way for you to get approved for a mortgage, because then they pull your credit just one time, and again, they match you to a lender that is suited to your credit. This same process exists in the small business world. There are literally lenders that have access to multiple lenders, hundreds, dozens of lenders, and they will pull your credit one time and then match you to a lender that lends to small businesses like yours, in your industry, in your state, etc., etc. So you are not going from lender to lender to lender, having them pull your credit, and in the process, lowering your credit score. So going to what's like a small business lender that has access to multiple lenders is going to be the key. I have just the lender for you. It is called Big Think Capital. Go to noellerandall.com/bigthink. That's Noelle Randall, Noelle, Randall, RANDALL.com/bigthink, BIGTHINK, Big Think. Big Think Capital is one of the largest lenders. They have access to multiple lenders that are specifically designed for small businesses. They have been helping small businesses get funding for their businesses, even startups, even minority-owned business, even women-owned businesses, and so much more. Not only can they help you get the right funding, they will match you to the right lender, and they will not destroy your credit in the process by pulling your credit over and over and sending it to multiple places. Big Think Capital is a reputable company with great reviews that has been helping small businesses get the funding that they need. Again, go to noellerandall.com/bigthink. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle, to your success.